Now, following the announcement of dates for Lok Sabha polls by ECI, the Chief Electoral Officer, CEO Manipur, Pradeep Kumar Jha also announced that the elections for 2 parliamentary seats of Manipur will be held in 2 phases on April 19th and April 26th. Addressing the media at the state election, Imphal said the election notification will be issued on March 20. The last date for filing of nomination paper is scheduled on March 27. The scrutiny of the nomination papers held on March 28th, and the last date for withdrawal of nomination is scheduled on March 30. While the declaration of results is scheduled on June 4, election process shall be completed by June 6. A total of 20,29,023 voters will exercise their franchise across 2,955 polling stations, of which 1,058 are identified as vulnerable or critical areas. Of the total voters, 9,80,855 are males, 10,47,929 are females, 239 transgenders, and 14,152 PWD.
Scheduled for the general elections to the 18th Lok Sabha 2024. Issue of notification for both the parliamentary constituencies of the state would be on the 20th of March 2024. The last date of making nominations for both the parliamentary constituencies would be 27th of March 2024. The scrutiny of nominations will happen for both the parliamentary constituencies on 28th of March 2024. The last date for withdrawal of candidature would be 30th of March 2024. The date of poll would be in 2 phases. On 19th of April 2024, the election will happen in respect of all the assembly constituencies contained within the inner Manipur parliamentary constituency and the 3 assembly constituencies of Thobal, which form part of the outer Manipur parliamentary constituency, 4 assembly constituencies of Kaching, which fall within outer Manipur parliamentary constituency, all assembly constituencies of Churachandpur district, all assembly constituencies of Kangpokpi district, and the lone assembly constituency of Chandel district. So all these areas will go for poll on the 19th of April in the first phase. The remaining assembly constituencies within the outer Manipur parliamentary constituency would go for poll on the 26th of April. The model code of conduct comes into effect immediately and will be applicable across the state.